Hi guys, my name is Gary Yeoman. I'm the national salesman here at Nexus RV. Today we get a great look at our 33DS on our Ghost brand. Let's go take a look. Now that we're inside the cockpit of the Ghost, I want to show you some key features up front here on the dashboard. This unit is going to come standard with exhaust brake. It's also going to come standard with your side view and rear view cameras. What's important about that is you're able to see your towed vehicle behind you with the back camera display, as well as you're going to see your blind spot from the tow mirrors, as well as the side view cameras are going to help eliminate any blind spot that you may have driving down the road. Up front here, you have these beautiful soft touch seats for your driver and passenger. They are powered as well too. Now, as you look above the cabin, you have this nice overhang bunk space up top here. What is cool about this cab over on the Ghost is, once again, it's a much more sleeker design, so you don't have a big cab over sticking over the front of your windshield. In the living room here of our Ghost series, what is exclusive is our 90-inch ceilings. These are Cathedral Ceilings. It's the highest ceiling in the super seat industry, so you get a lot of space inside here. You're getting a great look at one of our 4 new interior options. This is our modern interior, so we've really lightened up the wallpaper, we lightened up the ceiling, and we lightened up the cabinetry colors to really feel warm and airy inside this coach. As you see here on the dinette, we do our luxury dinette here with beautiful pull-out and lockable storage drawers underneath here for plenty of storage space. This dinette also drops down into a dream bed for sleeping here. Inside the kitchen here of the 33 Ghost, you see this beautiful corner kitchen layout. Once again, these have solid surface countertops. Here you have the Dometic 3-burner stove with the option of an oven underneath. What comes standard up top now is your convection microwave. With Nexus, you get the residential size convection microwaves, the 1.8 standard on all of our units. From the comments at home that you guys requested a little bit more kitchen countertop space, we added this beautiful countertop extension here for plenty of prep space inside this kitchen. An upgrade from the Wraith and the Rebel into the Ghost is the larger 21 cubic foot refrigerator inside here. This allows for a nice big freezer space underneath and beautiful French door opening up top. Now I'm going to take you guys into the back of the coach to view the bathroom. Here in the bathroom, you see we have our large rectangle shower here, as well as your toilet and a nice beautiful solid surface countertop that your sink is laid into. In all Nexus bathrooms, you'll see the large medicine cabinet to be able to store his and her toiletries inside here as well. Next, I'm going to take you out into the hallway to show you another great amenity inside this coach. A great option we put inside this 33DS floor plan is a full stackable washer dryer. This is very rare to find in a super seat under 35 foot, but we load this unit out built for full-time use inside this super seat. Here in the bedroom, I want to highlight the beautiful wardrobe we have set up here. This is his and hers wardrobe space, as well as a middle common section. Inside all of our Nexus units, you still have the personal space to be able to hide behind your TV. Simple lift up on double strut feature here. As I close that, you can see I still have full storage underneath this wardrobe here with 6 bays of rollout drawers. A key feature with the Nexus Super C product line, especially in the Ghost, is the functionality even when the slides are in. So even when the slides are in, this full bed is usable. So if you're at a Cracker Barrel or at a Walmart and have to camp with your slides in, you can still access this entire coach and all of its features. As you see here, we still jam-pack this unit as much storage space as possible. Up above that bed, you have the massive wardrobe space above, and then on the bed bases here for CPAP machines, we have your 110 outlets underneath here. What makes Nexus so special is our story. Our 2 owners, Dave Middleton and Claude Donati, started this family-owned and operated company in the premise of getting away from the cookie cutter style of manufacturing in the industry. We launched our own exclusive manufacturing, and on our chassis fronts, it was a big step for us. So you see here on the Ghost, this is the MV Heavy International chassis. This is exclusive with Nexus only. So as a cool feature in our Super C products, every one of our chassis front ends has a drop-down hood with 20 pounds of pressure over the front. They call this the white t-shirt servicing because you're able to step right inside the chassis and check all your fluid gauges and your dipsticks. Unlike a Class A, where a service tech is going to have to go inside your unit and go inside to the back to access the motor, or if it's a normal front end hood, it's really tough to lean over and access those flue levels. This is the main thing you want to check when you're going down the road before your trips, and this drop-down hood on our Super Cs makes this a great feature for you to access that. Inside, you're able to see the heart of the beast, right? This is our 6.7 Cummins engine. This has 360 horsepower. This is coupled and married with the 3000 Allison transmission. So you get 800 feet of torque inside this unit. This is also an industry leader, 20,000 pounds of towing. Nothing else like it out there in the industry, especially down inside this floor plan, which is a 34-footer. Next, I want to take you over to the side of the coach and detail our exterior construction. Our outside layer of our coach is this beautiful full body paint, Sherwin-Williams paint job. This is an RV rated coat, and this is no decals on here. We bake in all these 4 colors with our masking process. The next layer is our layer of fiberglass that we paint onto. And then from there, we use, once again, a layer of Azdel on the outside of this coach. So we're eliminating 50% of that weight. We're increasing the insulation about 4 times. And once again, water is not gonna absorb into that Azdel layer. Now I'm gonna take you guys into the awning and the campsite feature inside this coach to highlight some key features. On this 33DS model in our Ghost series, you're coming in just about 34 feet. So this is a great unit either for tailgating, going to races, or just going to your normal campground. On this campsite, you'll see here, there is no slides on it, so you're uninterfered with. That allows us to do this massive awning on the outside of the coach. So if you're out here tailgating or at the campground, you're able to access your outside entertainment center out here as well and be able to watch TV and pop a game on. A feature on our propane tank is a quick connect, so you're able to plug in your griddle or a fireplace and have access to gas on the outside of your unit. So this is an inside look inside of our storage bays. You see here they are lined in galvanized steel. So they don't make safes out of plastic, right? They make them out of steel. We want to protect your hard goods and camping supplies underneath here. We'll follow the very similar process as we step around to the driver's side of the unit and look at our plumbing system. Now on the driver's side of the unit, I want to explore the features of our electrical system and our plumbing system. First, in our electrical system here in the rear bay, you will see that we have a 50 amp power cord reel. That is an electric reel for you to be able to wind your cord back inside. Next inside here, you guys see the Magnum 2000 watt inverter. Also inside all of our coaches to power our units, we equip them with auto generator start. A great feature of that is if you have dogs and you leave them inside your unit, you want them to be safe and protected in there. So our auto generator start allows you to set temperature control and speak to the generator in terms of temperature, battery level, and runtime. So when a temperature reaches above a maximum level that you want it at, it'll fire up the generator and kick the AC on to cool down your coach. The next feature then is battery level. We want to make sure your food inside the fridge stays cold, right? So as your battery levels start to drop, you can set your dial on your auto generator to a certain voltage to make sure the generator fires up, recharges those batteries so your food doesn't go bad. As we mentioned, you have the onboard generator inside the Ghost here. This is an 8,000 watt diesel generator that's going to pull right from your 100-gallon fuel system. So when that diesel flows through your tank, it's going to power it right into your generator here that is on board. Once again, you can set that to your auto generator times to be able to pop up your generator for temperature, voltage, or run times at a campground. Thank you guys so much for watching. For more information, go check out generalrv.com.